Hello members, we are back. Select Alan still. It's Mto Online. We are back with our chemistry. The topic is using materials still. We are now looking at another using material called glass. We are going to look at glass as a using material. Glass, we all know this. They are very brittle materials. They break easily. Though there are some hard and strong glass that can not easily break, but it is one of the common materials we use in our daily life. And we know we can mention some of the uses of these glass materials. We very well know the glass used on cars, they are used as wind screens. We know them. They are used in construction. They are used in construction as they can be used as structures in place of bricks. In place of bricks and blocks. We've ever seen houses made out of glass only, used to make lenses and mirrors. They are used to add beauty to structures. There is that way a house with glass looks attractive and nice. So they are used to add beauty to structures. Used for visual security. We've ever visited places where you can see outside when someone outside cannot see you. So there are very many other uses of glass. We cannot finish them. We are going to give properties of glass that make them suitable for use. So before we go to this, have you subscribed? Have you invited any of your friends? Don't let your greatest friend, to miss this opportunity. It is a free opportunity. Please use it. Be a well wisher to your friend. Invite him. Let your friend invite the friend too. We are Mto Online. We are here to educate the world free of charge. We cannot forget to remind you that we are in a place called London Cuties. It is a nursery and primary school located in Kasenge. It is registered with the ministry. They offer the best educational services, like we've been saying in the previous videos. Please visit the place and check on it. To continue with our business, we are giving some of the properties that make glass a suitable material for use. We've ever seen glass. The glass we are talking of is widely used, and we are going to see why they widely use this actually glass. One of the properties that make glass a suitable material for use, it reflects light. Reflecting light makes this glass a suitable material uh, for use where vision is needed. For example, in salons. In salons, you are able to see yourself whether the haircut they have made on your head is good or not because of this glass being able to reflect this light. So, two, the glass refracts refracts light rays. The ability to refract the light rays is an importance that it is applied in very many fields. For example, the lenses, you are able to see or to take a picture using your phone. That is something very big. You're taking a picture of an elephant which is bigger than your phone, but the phone camera is capable of bending those light rays from a very big animal to light rays that can fit on the screen of your phone you have at home. You are taking a snap of your dad. The dad is big. You are capable of getting the picture of the dad onto the screen of your phone because of the ability of the glasses in the camera of your phone. So that is an advantage of a glass. So we've ever heard of double glazed glass, where it is made up of more than one layer. The double glazed glass or the double layered glass, let's call it layered glass. The double layered glass is strong. This makes it good for construction because it cannot break easily. We've ever heard of the tinted glass. The tinted glass only allows light to flow through it in one direction. It does not allow light traveling through it in all directions. It only allows flow of light in only one direction. And this is an advantage in visual security because in that way, you can only see through it in one side. For example, like we've mentioned, in those tinted glass, when you are capable of seeing from inside, you cannot see from outside. So it is good for visual security. Tinted glass allows light to pass through it in only one direction. In only one direction, hence good for visual security. For the askaris, you go to the askaris room, the askaris inside is capable of seeing you, but for you can't see him inside. So that is good for the security. We've even seen these days the army is using glass. They always move with glasses to battlefields. They bring their glass, the blending glass. They stand behind the glass. They place the glass in front of them. You think there is nothing behind. You can't see that there is someone. Yet the glass has blended with the environment very well. So they are using it for visual. security for blending with the nearby places. 5, we are giving the properties that make glass impermeable, not even air can pass through it. It is totally impermeable to air. Being impermeable to air makes it hence good wind, hence good for wind screening. We know when driving, that mirror in front of the car is called the windscreen. It does not allow air to reach the driver. We very well know the effect of air. 6 does not wet. We very well know that glass does not wet, and this is an advantage. It shields surfaces from the effect of water, are giving properties of glass that makes it suitable for use. Glass is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. This is an advantage that in desert areas where they cannot access, where actually the houses should not get too hot, they always use glasses because the glasses are they're actually poor conductors of heat. We can give more properties, but I think these are enough. These are some of the properties that make glass suitable materials, and we are looking at using materials in the topic. I've so far covered some good number of synthetic materials. They are man-made. This glass is made out of of sand, heated at very high temperatures with sodium hydrogen carbonate till when it melts. The product they always get is glass. It's what they cool to obtain the glass of any color if dyes are added. With molten metals are added to that molten glass, molten sand, and sodium hydrogen carbonate, we always get very strong glass materials. They are always molded to different shapes based on the requirement, but they are majorly manufactured from white sand with sodium hydrogen carbonate. You can check on the process of manufacture of glass. I'm told online. Don't forget to subscribe. And I think this is some little about glasses we can start on and build on. Thank you, Teacher Alan.